Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is one of the updates videos that I was supposed to have done, I think weeks ago. This is the one for my use of Chebe butter on natural hair for hair growth. And I actually filmed one showing how I started using the Chebe butter. I can't even remember whether I filmed the second one. But I was supposed to bring you guys an update telling you guys about my progress since I started using the butter, how it's working on my hair and whatnot, and then whether or not I'll be continuing the butter. So I did a thing. This is the original jar that I got from my neighbor, but I actually mixed it with my own whipped shea butter. This whipped shea butter, so this whipped shea butter contains my own ingredients, and this one contains my neighbor's formula. So if you look at both jars, you'll see that the colors are slightly different. This one is a darker shade of yellow, and then at the base you can still see the original Chebe butter color. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this to moisturize my hair. My hair is freshly washed, so I'm going to use this to moisturize my hair while I talk to you guys about the updates that I should have done weeks ago. So this is what my hair is looking like, freshly washed. I'm not going to do anything specific. I'm just going to put my hair in twists, and that will be that. So for the update, since I started using Chebe butter, I've basically been using just Chebe butter. So I've used this one, I've used the one from Omer's hair care or beauty, and then I have switched between my whipped shea butter and the Chebe butter. So it's basically butters that I've been using for the past, I think, 2 months or so, except when I paused to do the review for TCB Naturals. So I'm simply going to put my hair into twist here. By the way, I'm still getting questions on my use of Chebe butter, Chebe powder, and cacao oil, how it works, whether I will be using it again, and some types of questions like that. I am not quite certain I'll be using the powdered form of Chebe for a little while longer to come, if that makes any sense. But I did purchase some powder from a lady I saw at the market who was selling the raw form. So I'm going to find a way to use that either as a shampoo or infused in a conditioner or something, but I am not sure I'm going to be applying that to my hair in the raw form, because as I pointed out in one of my other videos, Chebe powder can be very, very uncomfortable to use, and if you are going to be moving up and down a lot, it's not something you will be comfortable wearing your hair to move up and down. So if you go to work or if you just perform a lot of activities, it's not the most comfortable hair product to wear in your hair. So that's one of the reasons I'm not going to be using it for a while. And although I'm supposed to be using it quarterly, like I said I would, we are still in the first quarter of 2021 and I'm using the butter, so I mean that's one form. But for the raw form, that's the mixture that is Chebe powder and cacao oil, I can't say that I'm going to be using it like that. And also I don't want to have to be tied down to doing just one hairstyle, which is the twist I usually do when I use that combination. So I think I'm just going to stick to the butters and then maybe the water. And guys, would you believe it, I was actually supposed to do an update too for the Chebe infused water. I still have it there, and I still have the second bottle that I mixed after I put some of it in my spray bottle. I've not used that one yet, so I'm still going to do the update on that and then upload it for you guys to see. But so far I've still been using the Chebe butter on my hair, and that is working well. So for the benefits of this that I observed, it has helped with I want to say it has helped with my growth, but I'm just thinking, yeah, it has helped with my hair growth, but it has also helped to reduce shedding. Although my hair has been shedding a lot more than it should recently, that's because I'm supposed to be getting a trim soon. So the longer I delay that, the more my hair will shed. So far this one actually does help with reduction of shedding, and it also helps to improve how shiny your hair is. It helps with overall hair growth. It helps to make your hair stronger. The infusion of different oils and the shea butter plus the Chebe, it helps your hair just, you know, remain in good form. So, and it's also very, very good for edges. So if you feel like you have one part of your journey or the other that you're lacking in terms of overall healthy hair, in terms of shine, in terms of length, you can just go ahead and give this a try if you haven't already. And it's among one of my top recommended products, especially if your hair agrees with shea butter. So because one of the major ingredients in it is shea butter, so if your hair agrees with shea butter, yes, you can go ahead and use this and then thank me later. That's about the major benefits I wanted to point out that I observed for me. I'm still using this, but I also want to point out that my hair is actually good in the sense that my hair does not select products. I think I've said this before. So basically any product that I use tends to work for me. It may not be the same for everybody, and then there may be an ingredient or the other that's contained in this that could react negatively to your hair, or that your hair could react negatively to. So if you want to do a patch test before you go ahead and use this all over your head, you should go ahead and do that. Otherwise, if you have good hair like me, you may not need to, so you can just go ahead and use this all over your hair and then check for how your hair responds to it. If you use this and you observe that your hair does not respond well at all, it's making your scalp itch, that's the product, or it's just, you know, giving you bad results, please don't hesitate to stop using it. I always say, regardless of how much you get a product for, if you notice that your hair is not doing well with that product, stop using it as soon as possible. In fact, that minute, because it's better to prevent touching stories than it is to start repairing damage done to hair. So that's basically it. Go ahead and leave your comments in the section below if you have any, and then I will get back to you guys. But for now, majority of this video was going to be me twisting this hair, so I'll just do that using this Chebe butter and I'll let you guys watch.